So all the Bhikkhu, Bhikkhunis, and the lay women. So just how this Bhikkhuni mentions about, say, how she feel about these few days, these trips, especially this few days we're doing APSEP at this Bhagavad Buddhist Society. So to her it's a very meaningful. She said that this is the first time she joined Bhikkhu Buddha for here to just all the celebration. For these times she really learns a lot. She mentioned that whatever, let's say, for her, it's the first experience. Then she hopes that she can have an opportunity for next time join these occasions. And moreover, he really said that you asked her about, say, in future there's any infinity she would like to preach the Dharma to the Chinese society. But everything she said that she haven't promised you. Everything is according to the infinity. Whatever is later they will say.